bitches. I think that one was the best.
Hey Jer babes,
Self-care court is in session.
I'm Bridge.
And I'm Jess.
And we make self-care videos weekly every Tuesday.
Everything from lifestyle tips, beauty tips, everything involving self-care and pampering.
We review it and see if it's B&J approved. If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel and give us a little thumbs up and ding the bell.
And do it now so you don't forget.
Today we're going to be reviewing the Arches and Halo Brow Hero Tint Kit.
And who doesn't need a hero in every scent?
These, I found them at Target.
Approachable.
Approachable packaging, very. I have the espresso. I think that's the darkest brown. Jessica has
dark brown.
We figured these would be good because taking time to fill in your eyebrows every morning takes up some of your time. If we could take that step out of our get ready process with this,
yes,
then we'll have more time for ourselves in the morning.
And you know what? Since it's a hair dye, it's gonna stick right to your brow, and you don't get that crayon.
That,
or at least we're hoping. We haven't tried it, so we're hoping that it won't give you that crusty crayon. Like if you sweat, we're hoping that eliminates all of that.
I have dyed my eyebrows before, but I normally use the men's like mustache dye, which does work if you're on a bud, but it might make you blind. So these were tested by an ophthalmologist.
They were.
Which I guess is an eye doctor. You can tell it's good quality and won't make you blind, so that's what I'm here for. So you get like a mascara too, Professional Brow Hero Tint. And then you get the next one, which I think you put on after.
We get an instruction manual. Love the origami. You know what? I'm still into origami. I'm gonna pick it back up. Shake tube before using. What tube? How did you know?
Because it's a tube.
This is a tube.
Okay, using the dual-ended angle brush, outline the brow and fill in.
Okay, so far we're not really liking the instructions.
Wait, is this a mascara one? Oh. Okay, so I was under the impression this was like a mascara one.
But this is the dual-ended brush.
Okay, I get it.
Load the product onto the dual-ended brush. Oh, okay, I get it.
I'm just gonna wing it, honestly. I can't. It says it can stain your skin, so please be careful with that. And also, if this ruins my eyebrows, I'm gonna fucking sue.
This one's clear.
Yeah, that's the after.
Okay. How does she know? How does she know these things?
So you're gonna outline, I guess.
Which tip did you use?
I'm just fucking using this.
I'm gonna do a different approach then.
Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna do it the wrong way. It doesn't.
No, there is no wrong way. It doesn't say.
It does.
I like this. Kimmy more, because too much is not enough. Okay, girls.
I'm really going for the Frida Kahlo.
So I'm gonna keep this method. I'm gonna brush it onto this prickly one.
I'm gonna do that now.
Like, you guys, I would just like to take this moment to say that I have not been mentally well, and I'm definitely thinking about seeking professional help. And I just want to say, it's okay to lose your shit.
Wendy Williams lost her shit.
Watch the Wendy Williams.
Watch the Wendy Williams.
You guys should all watch it. She's a true fucking queen.
You can rent it for $2 on Amazon. People like hate her. I don't know. I like her. So this is my final result. So I'm gonna grab a makeup remover and like clean it up around like the edges. 1 second. I'm gonna take these Neutrogena wipes and do a little cleaning up. I would do more.
Give me more.
Like,
too much is not enough. For those of you who don't know, more
sure
self-care is better,
get
people.
Every little hair on your
Get your fucking money worth. So did you wipe it off your skin? Because now I've got some skin.
Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, we share makeup wipes.
We share everything. Everything. We buy gallon jugs of water and just drink out of them like straight from the gallon.
If you can share your water, the essential of life, with your best friend,
then you don't have a best friend.
Right. Okay, guys.
So we'll be back in 30 minutes.
We're gonna set our timer for 30 minutes and we'll come back. We're gonna have some White Claws while we wait.
Court is in recess. So what do we do with these now? Are we supposed to clean them? They do say that these things actually are really good for recycling. I don't remember what they exactly say they're good. But if you have extras of these, they say you can do something with them. So if you
I think they're good for like cleaning
like oil
from ducks. So if you support cleaning oil off of ducks
and you love ducks,
save your mascara wand.
Hello, the 30 minutes is up.
We're gonna wipe it off with a warm cloth. We're using paper towel because we're trash.
If you're fancy, get a warm towelette.
But oh god, it's coming off.
It is.
But like in chunks.
Yes, it's clumping. Actually, it's like fucking me up.
What?
Yeah, we're not.
Why do you look at me like that?
Honestly, I want to sleep with it in. I kind of like how dark it was before. I'm seeing, okay, I think there's a tint.
Okay. Honestly, no.
We're back to normal.
I feel like it worked.
While it was on.
It worked a little bit, but when I used mustache hair dye for men, it works way better and it's like $3.
You heard it here first, y'all.
And if you'd like a tutorial on how to use the mustache dye for men on your eyebrows, let me know.
Because we'll do that next.
This worked. Eye safe, but definitely it's nothing special compared to it's nothing special compared to eyebrow tint. And it says it only lasts like 72 hours, which was 3 days.
Which, like, if you can dye your eyebrows, it will last the duration of like a month.
So if you want to see us dye our eyebrows actually with the men's hair dye, we probably should have done that in the first place.
I do feel tinted up a little.
Yours look good.
I feel like I didn't wipe mine off as aggressively.
But mine were like the darkest color. That is not.
That's weird.
Verdict is in. And these are not B&J approved.
Get yourself some mustache
hair dye. Maybe we'll show you how to do that.
Okay, but can we also address...
Be careful with your eyeballs.
Why do men get the good products?
The mustache dye. You can also use hair dye. When you dye your hair, I just put it in my eyebrows. But I don't know, that might be stronger. It's never affected my eyebrows. My eyebrows have never fallen off or anything. I've never gone blind.
She's got good eyebrows. I've seen her get complimented by randos at the bar. Men. So you know what? If you want to get complimented,
go and get that men's mustache hair dye.
Get that men's mustache hair dye.
I wanted the Brow Hero Tint kit to work.
We wanted it to work.
I guess it worked.
But as long as it was on.
But I want it to work, baby.
She wants it to last.
Leave us a comment and let us know what you do to your eyebrows if you use the men's hair dye.
If you have suggestions.
Mustache dye. If you have suggestions or if you want us to review something, let us know. Subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe. And court is adjourned, people.
God bless you.